Jamaica Roots and Culture, Pat Clark.
Welcome to Jamaican Roots and Culture. I'm Pat Clark. Jamaica's exotic cuisine includes a mixture of cooking techniques, flavors, spices, and influences from the indigenous people of the island of Jamaica and the Spanish, Irish, British, Africans, Indian, and Chinese who have inhabited the island. It's also influenced by the crops introduced into the island from tropical Southeast Asia. Jamaican cuisine includes various dishes from the different cultures brought to the island with the arrival of people from elsewhere. Other dishes are novel or a fusion of the techniques and traditions. In addition to the ingredients that are native to Jamaica, many foods have been introduced and are now grown locally. A wide variety of seafood, tropical fruits, and meats are available. Some Jamaican dishes are variations of cuisines and cooking styles brought to the island from elsewhere. These are often modified to incorporate local produce. Others are novel and have developed locally. Popular Jamaican dishes include curry goat, fried dumplings, ackee and saltfish, the national dish of Jamaica, of course, fried plantain, jerk chicken, steamed cabbage, and rice and peas. Jamaican cuisine has been adapted by Irish, African, Indian, British, French, Spanish, Chinese, and other influences. Jamaican patties and various pastries and breads are also popular, as well as the fruit beverages and Jamaican rum. Jamaican cuisine has spread with immigration, especially during the 20th century, from the island to other nations as Jamaicans have sought economic opportunities in other areas. The Spanish, the first European arrivals to the island, contributed dishes such as the vinegary concoction known as escovitched fish. Later, Cantonese, Hakka influences developed in Jamaica, and the patty is also of the English influence. African cuisine developed on the island as a result of waves of slavery introduced by the European powers. More Chinese and East Indian influences can also be found in Jamaican cuisine. As a result, we have curry, we have dal, and many other dishes influenced by Eastern traditions. The Jamaican cuisine is quite diverse, and mention must be made of the Rastafarian influence. Rastafarians have a vegetarian approach to preparing food, cooking, and eating, and have introduced a host of unique vegetarian dishes to the Jamaican cuisine. They do not eat pork, and the strict ones do not eat meat, including poultry and fish. There are even some who believe in cooking with little or no salt and cooking in an idle way. And now, to end the Jamaican roots and culture, here is a wise quotation from the Black diaspora. The cost of liberty is less than the price of repression. W.E.B. Du Bois. For Jamaican Roots and Culture, I'm Pat Clark.